We're looking at Minuet from the Trinity Grade 1 syllabus. We've already been working on the first line hands together, bars 1 to 4. If you can't play bars 1 to 4 hands together, you need to go back a video and look at that video before you can continue on with this next section. If you are happy with that and you're ready to look at bar 5, so here's the first line. Move up. I did that is just so we can see where our hands need to be. So now the right hand, the top part, you're going to use your second finger up on C. If you look at bar 5, you see you've got C there. So this is what the right hand does then. You've got 3 C's, then 3 D's, then up one more and hold, and then step up, skip, step, step, and step up at the end. So the first bit's all staccato, 3 C's, then a bit louder, 3 D's, up one more, and this is all smooth, legato. And I'll do it again. So second finger on the C. So we've got crotchets, which are on the beat, they're going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. A crotchet, then quavers, so everything's 2 to the beat. Now, what's the left hand doing? So, we ended up in the last section with your thumb on G. So now you're going to change your left hand position, and you bring your little finger up to E, and your thumb's on the C. Now, this bit here, this interval, the distance between this note and the C, is a sixth. In other words, one more than you have fingers. So your hand will naturally be E to B, but you just need to remember to make that little stretch. So the left hand goes E, C, E, C, E, C. So that's 1 and 2 and 3. Then, now you could bring your little finger up a note and then go F, C, or perhaps the better way to do it is just to go up a finger and use your fourth finger on the F. Either will work. Now the important thing is you then move up another note at the bottom to G. So I'll show you that again. So you've got E at the bottom, then F at the bottom, and then a held G at the bottom, and then to finish it off you go C, stretch your second down to that G you just played, but a different finger now, and that will get your little finger there. So you'll end up with a nice. So that whole line. So you've got E to C, that's a fifth. So it goes E, C, E, C. Then F to C, that's. Then a G. Then your thumb on the C. I'll do that once more. Sorry, I think I said that was a fifth. Sorry, it's a sixth. So E to C is a fifth. So we got a sixth. So it's just a slight stretch. Then use your next finger on the F. Then the G and your hold for 3. Now thumb ready. And the staccato, C, G, C. Now at the end, when these staccato notes tend to get thrown away in numbers, just end up with something like that, but it needs to be 1, 2, 3. So I'll do one more. Hold for 3, 2, 3. Thumb stretch down. Now, let's try and bring that hands together. Let me remind you what the right hand part. So you have your second finger up on the C. So here's the right hand bit again on the second line. C, C. Getting louder. Not too loud, up to mezzo forte. And this is smooth. And be sure to hold that note for 3 there. Right, let's put that together. So your left hand, got E to C. So let's go bar by bar. So you've got E up to C and 3 C's. And remember, you've got crotchets here, so these are on the beat. And we've got quavers here, so these are 2 to a beat, like this. 1 and 2 and. Notice that the thumb is on its own on the half beat, so it's going thumb, thumb. Now you go up a note to the D here, and you go up a note to the F here, and again they start together. Thumb, thumb, thumb. Then you go up a note again, so you've got E up here on your fourth, and G here probably on your third. And then that holds at the bottom, but at the top, step up, skip, step, step, and here's the last note. That's going to be long, and a C here as well. So a C there with your second, C here with your thumb. And notice that one was short, but I'm holding the top, short, and then the short, and the whole thing comes off. Here it is again. Second there, E here. Upper note. Now hold. C. Notice I've still got the right hand on, right to the end. Here it is one last time. Now, you might want to practice it smooth first of all, just to get the feel of it, but and eventually you need a nice, crisp. So starting quietly, building a little bit, nothing too much. Skip, step, 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 held. And it should all come off more or less together at the end there. So remember, you might need to watch this video lots of times. Make sure you can play the second line and of course the first line as well before you go on to the next video for the third line.